Y'all, day 19, October Overhaul. It's really bright. I'm gonna try to make it short, well, at least, shorter than usual video, because my phone storage is so annoying, and even though I have nothing on this phone, it always shorts out at the end, and that's why a couple of my videos have been clipped at the end. And I just don't have the app or tools right now to learn how to make proper videos by splicing and stuff. And that is, my hope, to get more into that, more knowledgeable in the actual video making process. I feel like this indent is getting stuck in my face. Yeah, so it's day 19. This is third or fourth day of my moon cycle menstruation. So I'm definitely not in the mood. I mean, I've still done all the things I've been set out to do, I've been slack the last couple of days, I'll admit it, but I've still done yoga, even if it was just for a short time. I did my yoga. I've been doing self-care. I did my nails last night. I've been really trying to focus on that. But I just feel, mass miscommunication. Always. I just feel like I'm not being understood, I don't know. It's probably all just in my head. It's all just me thinking that, I don't know. Fuck this music, dude. I'm just not in the mood, It's I have been putting in years of work. Literally years of work. And sure, I've seen, some of the poor choices that I've made have come back, and I have dealt with the karma and the repercussions from all of that. And I take it all in stride, and I continue on. I never let it deter me. I'm always focused on where I'm trying to go, but it's I give credit to receiving support from people I have not received support from. I give them credit for doing so much for me, and it's dead for real, nobody's done shit for me. Not at all, just by platonically being there, and because you didn't hands-on abuse me, or you didn't fucking do anything terrible to me, does not mean you were being supportive, and it doesn't mean you get to take credit for my transformation. Nobody gets to do that. I am the only person who gets to take credit for my transformation. And I'm the only person who, really needs to be criticizing me. I don't need anybody criticizing me, okay? I know where my faults are. And the whole, like, constructive criticism thing, it's like, unless you are truly 100% objective and have no personal hang-ups whatsoever, you can't claim you're doing constructive criticism. You can't, because you have biases. So whatever you're criticizing cannot truly be an unbiased, objective criticism. It is not. You are biased. You have hang-ups. You feel something about it, so you're not able to give true constructive criticism. And I get a lot of constructive criticism. I get a lot of it all the time. All the time. Oh, well, you're acting like your mom in this way, or, you're doing this, that, and the other. Well, this is ego talking. Well, this is, Well, guess what, dude? I don't have to accept your fucking constructive criticism when you aren't an unbiased, objective figure. Unless you're my, therapist, unless you are somebody who is truly got no emotional attachment whatsoever and is only a outside objective view, that's it. I'm not gonna listen to you otherwise. If you think certain behaviors of mine need work, what you're saying and the way you say it, if you tell somebody that you're emotionally invested in, that something they do bothers you and needs work or whatever, it is only from your perspective. It is coming from your perspective of what you think is wrong. So you can't correct another person on that perspective, because who you're really trying to correct is yourself. Because what is making you upset is something that you are judgmental about and you have hang-ups about yourself. And you need to correct yourself before you get to say somebody else is doing something wrong. If it is offending you so much, you better look within first. Okay? You better look within. Because you don't get to tell somebody what they're doing pisses you off or offends you or annoys you or whatever until you address that within yourself. Tell me you're not a hypocrite. Tell me you're not holding double standards. Tell me that what they're doing is something that you absolutely assuredly do not do yourself. And when you can tell me that, you can go ahead and start judging people. And you can go ahead and correct people and fucking nitpick their actions and tell them they're all full of ego. Go ahead. But 9 times out of 10, most people cannot say that. And I know I personally cannot say that. I have hang-ups. I know sometimes I look at straight fucking random strangers, random men, and I just immediately think that is a mean, horrible person. And they're violent, and they're scary just because it's a man. And I know that. I have to address that within myself. But, it's like you can say whatever you want, but you better know where that's coming from. You better know deep down where that's coming from and what that perspective is really about. Because obviously I have hang-ups, I'm fucking talking shit hella, but fuck, man, I am just so sick and tired of being corrected by the people who are supposed to be supportive. It's like, dude, you are supposed to be supportive. That means shut the fuck up and love me unconditionally. Because that's what I do. I keep my mouth fucking shut. And I just love no matter what is done to me. And it's like, anyway, it's already getting a little long, and I bet the fucking thing is gonna tell me it's full soon enough. And it's a little tangent today. I'm on my period, guys. I've been pissed off for a couple of days. If you can't tell through the videos, I'm just annoyed. But it's a learning experience, and obviously I'm taking a lot from it, and I know where I need to work. So I think I need to do way more yoga today. Okay, well, I'm gonna leave it at that, and I'm gonna try to focus in on my emotions today and do more yoga. I've already journaled, I've already done a little bit of yoga and everything. Just tired, annoyed, and emotional. I guess I will see y'all tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in, listening to my tangents of bullshit. I am out. See ya.